Upgrading your PC with a Samsung Electronics 870 EVO 2TB SSD can significantly boost performance. I upgraded my Windows 10 PC, which had upgraded RAM and a fast quad-core processor but was held back by an HDD. First, ensure you know how to safely open your PC and work inside it. You'll need power and SATA cables for the new SSD. I used the existing cables from the old HDD. Consider buying an adapter for mounting the smaller 2.5-inch SSD in place of the 3.5-inch HDD. Download and install Samsung's free data migration software. Connect the SSD to your PC using a USB to SATA adapter cable. The software should detect the SSD, select the source drive and the new SSD as the destination. The cloning process can take 4-5 hours, so be patient. With the power off and your hands grounded, open the case and unplug the old drive. Mount the new SSD and connect the power and SATA cables. Power the machine back up. If done correctly, your PC should boot up much faster. Download and install Samsung's Magician software for diagnostics and firmware updates. Enjoy the significant performance boost without needing a new computer.